Our project is smart removal and image completion in Android devices. Basically, we want to develop an app which could remove unwanted person or object from an image. For example, we may want to remove the two passers-by in the image and get a clean one of the woman and the statue. To achieve this goal, first we take multiple images of the same scene with the main subject remain unmoved. Then we handmark the unwanted object and remove it. Finally, we complete the image using corresponding patches from other frames. The technical details mainly include four steps. First, we take multiple images of the same thing and save them to the SD card. We could denote the images as image 1 and image 2. The second step is handmarking, which is based on Android Untouched events. The third step is image alignment, where we use the detector to detect the key points and use the ORB feature descriptor to describe the area around the key points. Then we draw the matches between two sets of key points and find the homography between them, so we could work image 2 based on image 1. Finally, for the image completion part, we use the grid matching algorithm to find the corresponding grids from image 2 for the mask region in image 1, and we complete the mask region by pasting the pixel value from image 2. We first test and modify the algorithm in MATLAB, and here are some of the sample images. This is image 1, and this is image 1 with mask region. This is image 2 before alignment. There is slight rotation between these two images, and this is image 2 after alignment. In this figure, the red crosses mark the key points detected, and the green lines show the image correspondences. Finally, we could get the resulting image with the two passers-by successfully removed. Then we implement the algorithm in Android devices. Here is a demo of our final project, Smart Removal and Image Completion in Android devices. This is the operating interface of our application. It has 6 buttons. The default interface is for image taking, where we can take images by clicking on the screen. This is image 1 and this is image 2. The image will then be saved to the SD card. By clicking on the button image 1 and image 2, we can view the images taken just now. The next step is to handmark the unwanted objects in the images. For example, if we want to remove the white car from the scene, we can put a mask over the region by clicking on the screen. The masked image will also be saved to the SD card. Since we want to use the corresponding region in image 2 to complete the masked region in image 1, and there might be some translational or rotational movement between the two images, we need to do image alignment first. We can do this by clicking on the corresponding button. The wrapped image will be calculated and displayed on the scene, as is shown here. By clicking on button image 3, the matches between the key points will be displayed. Finally, by clicking on the Smart Remove button,
we can complete the masked region in image 1 by pasting the corresponding pixel values from warped image 2. We can see the calculation process is really fast, and we can get the resulting image. From this image, we can see that the car is successfully removed and the image is free of artifacts.